Hey there, and welcome to our video on supplements for adrenal fatigue. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the evidence behind various supplements and their role in promoting adrenal health and resilience. We'll explore how chronic stress can impact your body and discuss the potential benefits of adaptogens, magnesium, vitamin C, B vitamins, ashwagandha, and rhodiola rosa. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how these supplements may help support your adrenal function and manage stress-related symptoms. So make sure to stick around until the end to get all the valuable information you need to make informed decisions about your health. Let's start by talking about the impact of chronic stress on the body. When you're constantly exposed to stressors, it can lead to consistently elevated cortisol levels. Cortisol is a hormone produced by your adrenal glands, and it plays a vital role in your stress response, metabolism, and immune function. A study by Russell and Lightman in 2019 found that prolonged exposure to high cortisol levels can negatively affect your brain health, metabolism, and immune function. For example, a study by Akufo Chogi and colleagues in 2018 linked consistently high cortisol levels to impaired cognitive function, including memory deficits and reduced brain volume in certain regions. Joseph and Golden's research in 2017 also showed that chronic stress and elevated cortisol can disrupt metabolic processes, leading to insulin resistance, abdominal fat accumulation, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. And according to a 2015 study by Morey and colleagues, cortisol's immunosuppressive effects can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections and prolonging recovery time. But here's where adaptogens come in. Adaptogens are a unique class of plants that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to promote overall health and well-being. They're believed to help your body adapt to various stressors by supporting physiological resilience and maintaining homeostasis. A 2019 study by Lopresti and colleagues suggests that adaptogens may modulate your body's stress response by interacting with the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, or HPA axis, which is a complex network that regulates cortisol production. By supporting the HPA axis and promoting balanced cortisol production, adaptogens may help mitigate the negative effects of chronic stress on your body. Studies have shown that certain adaptogenic herbs, like ashwagandha and rhodiola rosa, can reduce cortisol levels, improve stress resilience, and enhance overall well-being. We'll talk more about these specific herbs later in the video. Now let's move on to some key supplements that may help support your adrenal health. First up is magnesium, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in stress management. A study by Held and colleagues in 2002 showed that magnesium supplementation can lower cortisol levels, particularly during sleep. And in 2014, Zogovich and colleagues found that magnesium supplementation reduced serum cortisol levels in male students, suggesting its potential for supporting adrenal function and stress resilience. Magnesium's role in stress management may be attributed to its involvement in regulating the HPA axis. Studies have demonstrated that magnesium deficiency can lead to increased cortisol production and exaggerated stress responses, as shown by Sartori and colleagues in 2012. So, by ensuring adequate magnesium intake through diet and supplementation, you may help support healthy cortisol levels and improve your ability to cope with stress. Next, let's talk about vitamin C. Did you know that your adrenal glands contain one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C in your body? That's because vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of stress hormones like cortisol, adrenaline, and noradrenaline. A 2007 study by Padayati and colleagues highlighted the importance of adequate vitamin C intake for maintaining proper adrenal function, especially during times of stress. Research has also shown that vitamin C supplementation can help reduce cortisol levels and improve stress resilience. In a randomized controlled trial by Brody and colleagues in 2002, individuals who received high-dose vitamin C supplementation, 1,000 milligrams per day, experienced a significant reduction in cortisol levels compared to the placebo group. These findings suggest that ensuring sufficient vitamin C intake may be beneficial for supporting adrenal health and managing stress-related symptoms. Moving on to B vitamins, particularly B5, pantothenic acid, B6, pyridoxine, and B9, folic acid. These vitamins are essential for supporting adrenal function, as they play a crucial role in the synthesis of stress hormones and the regulation of the stress response. A 2019 systematic review and meta-analysis by Young and colleagues found that B vitamin supplementation had a significant effect on reducing stress levels, especially in individuals at risk of deficiency. The authors suggested that B vitamins may help support adrenal function by ensuring adequate nutrient availability for the synthesis of stress hormones and neurotransmitters involved in the stress response. Now, let's dive into some adaptogenic herbs that have gained popularity for their potential adrenal supporting properties. First, we have ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera. This herb has been shown to lower cortisol levels, enhance stress resilience, and improve overall adrenal function, as demonstrated by Lopresti and colleagues in a 2019 study. In a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study by Chandrasekhar and colleagues in 2012, ashwagandha supplementation significantly reduced cortisol levels and improved stress resistance compared to the placebo group. The stress-relieving effects of ashwagandha may be attributed to its ability to modulate the HPA axis and regulate cortisol production. Animal studies, like the one conducted by Bhattacharya and colleagues in 2000, have demonstrated that ashwagandha can reduce cortisol levels and protect against stress-induced neuronal damage. These findings suggest that ashwagandha may be a valuable supplement for supporting adrenal health and managing stress-related symptoms. Another adaptogenic herb worth mentioning is rhodiola rosa. A study by Cropley and colleagues in 2002 showed that rhodiola rosa can help reduce stress, improve mental performance, and lower cortisol concentrations. Its adrenal supporting properties may stem from its ability to modulate the stress response and promote healthy cortisol levels. In a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study by Olson and colleagues in 2009, rhodiola rosa supplementation significantly reduced cortisol levels and improved mental performance in individuals experiencing stress-related fatigue. The authors suggested that rhodiola rosa's adaptogenic properties may help support adrenal function and improve stress resilience. When it comes to choosing the right supplements for your adrenal health, it's essential to consider your individual needs, health goals, and potential side effects. Some supplements, like kava, may have safety concerns that require additional caution. That's why it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, such as a registered dietitian or a pharmacist, before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. It's also important to remember that while supplements can be a valuable tool for supporting adrenal health, they shouldn't be relied upon as a sole treatment for stress-related symptoms. Incorporating lifestyle changes, such as regular exercise, stress reduction techniques like meditation and deep breathing, and a balanced diet, is essential for promoting overall well-being and managing stress effectively. To maximize the potential benefits of adrenal support supplements, it's crucial to incorporate them into a comprehensive stress management plan. This approach should include lifestyle modifications, stress reduction techniques, and a focus on overall health and well-being. Engaging in regular physical activity has been shown to reduce stress levels and improve mood by promoting the release of endorphins and reducing cortisol concentrations, as demonstrated by Stultz, Kolamainen, and Sinha in a 2014 study. Incorporating a variety of stress reduction techniques, such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and progressive muscle relaxation, can help calm the mind and promote relaxation, according to a 2017 study by Pascoe and colleagues. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, is essential for supporting overall health and adrenal function. Avoiding excessive caffeine and sugar intake, which can contribute to cortisol imbalances, is also important, as shown by Lovallo and colleagues in a 2005 study. By combining adrenal support supplements with a comprehensive stress management approach, you can work towards promoting adrenal health, reducing stress-related symptoms, and enhancing overall well-being. However, it's essential to remember that supplements should be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional and as part of a holistic approach to stress management. In conclusion, while adrenal fatigue is not a recognized medical diagnosis, the symptoms attributed to it, such as chronic stress, fatigue, and sleep disturbances, can have a significant impact on overall health and well-being. The evidence presented in this video suggests that certain supplements, including magnesium, vitamin C, B vitamins, ashwagandha, and rhodiola rosea, may offer support for adrenal health and help manage stress-related symptoms. However, it's crucial to approach the use of these supplements with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Individual needs, health goals, and potential side effects should be carefully considered when selecting adrenal support supplements. Additionally, supplements should be used as part of a comprehensive stress management plan that includes lifestyle modifications, such as regular exercise, stress reduction techniques, and a balanced diet. Incorporating adrenal support supplements into a holistic approach to stress management may help promote adrenal health, reduce stress-related symptoms, and enhance overall well-being. By addressing the impact of chronic stress on the body and supporting the natural stress response through targeted supplementation and lifestyle changes, you can work towards improving your resilience and quality of life. However, it's essential to remember that supplements are not a substitute for medical advice, and any persistent or severe symptoms should be evaluated by a qualified healthcare provider. If you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to visit nutritionmarket.com.au for more information and resources. At Nutrition Market, you can find all the best supplements to support your health and well-being. Plus, we have a virtual clinic with clinical nutritionists and naturopaths serving clients in Australia and around the world. Book a consultation today to get personalized advice and guidance on your health journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And remember, while the information in this video is informed by research, it should not replace advice from your healthcare provider. Some scientific findings may still be under investigation, so always consult with a qualified professional for personalized advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.